Okay, so here's something most people don't know about me. I love long showers. Well, there is quite a bit of wash. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you how we enjoy a long, hot shower in our caravan while we're off-grid. Yes, off-grid showers is a thing now. Okay, so if you've just tuned in, welcome to Kiwi Wanderers. I'm Greg, this is Sandy, and we're exploring New Zealand full-time in our hotel on wheels, our Jayco Silverline, aka Navarack. Just leave a comment below if you know what the name Navarack means. Okay, we're diving into 3 bits of gear that Sandy, in her very official product review voice, called absolute game changers, and at the time we'd only had them for a week. So let's talk water. One of the 5 W's that rule your life on the road. Fresh water, wastewater, filling it, dumping it, and let's be honest, it's mostly a blue job, right? Well, I've got some clever kit to make it all easier, and yes, I even found a solution to that nightmare grey water trolley. Stick around. Our Silverline's pretty standard. It has 162 litres of fresh water in 2 tanks, 12-volt pump that gives a surprisingly decent shower. We did add a water saver to the hot water system to stop wasting water while it heats up. Check out the link to that video there. The shower is awesome. Not quite big enough for 2 people, but hey, it's a first world problem. Now, the real limitation when we're off-grid is water supply. With 162 litres, short showers and careful use, we can stretch it out to maybe 3 or 4 days. Then, about 2 months ago, this big box arrived from the legend at Topro Group. And inside was what I can only describe as a hydration revolution. Here's what we got. 125 litre water bladder, a brilliant water transfer kit, and a flexible grey water bladder. And yes, you could see by the smile on my face when I was opening it that I was stoked. Spoiler alert, this is a fantastic addition to the van, so if you don't want to watch the rest of the video and how the stuff works, just go to the Topro Group website and get it underway. You won't regret it. Righto, number 1, the 125 litre water bladder. This Aussie-made bladder from Flexi Make is built like a tank. Ours is custom designed to fit the Ford Ranger right in front of the rear seats. You know, the space that usually does nothing because, well, the kids don't want to come with us anymore and we've only got about 4 friends. Hey, it fits perfectly and comes with everything you need. Hoses, fittings, even thread tape. No mad dash to Bunnings. Just hook it up, fill it up, pump it in, done. I made a few mods, added some hose caps to keep the drains clean, and the whole bladder folds up inside a DeWalt toolbox. I had a spare. Please, please, please don't tell Sandy I had a spare DeWalt toolbox. I'm sure she just doesn't quite approve of all my DeWalt collection. If she found out I had spares, well, yeah. The pros of this 125 litre tank. It fits the ute floor like a glove. Lightweight, stores easily, fills and drains perfectly, and doesn't take up a lot of room in the back of the ute, which our ute is full at the back. So yeah, before I had to unload something to go and fill one of my 20 litre containers if we wanted water. So no cons so far, and we've used it at least 20 times already. Topro also offers versions for Land Cruisers, generic utes, and even slide out toolboxes. Kiwi Topro is very easy to deal with and has all sorts of gear for the RV community, including the legendary Wi-Fi system, which we love. Number 2, the water transfer kit. So this is my new best mate. This water transfer kit, some absolute genius camper has put this together. Actually, it was Adventure Pumps out of Queensland, and it's great. In this bag is everything you need for fresh water. I mean everything. Hose fittings, joiners, water tank fillers, hose tidy, and a small but mighty 12-volt pump. This pump comes ready to drop into any water container. It has a very small size, so it fits inside the standard jerry can. But if you need to attach it to a hose like we have, it's easy to remove the cover and fit a hose. It's powered by an Anderson plug, or a cigarette lighter, or alligator clips. There's no switch, just plug it in and away it goes. On the Ranger, I just have to turn the key on and all the cigarette lighters and Andersons are alive. But if you didn't have this, you could run it straight off the battery. Very well thought out. I'm not sure what the flow rate is. It would alter obviously depending on how you're using it. But for us, it transfers the 125 litres in around 11 minutes. Through our WOMO filter, of course. Very, very easy to use. About the only instruction really is that you don't run it dry. And that's the standard advice for most pumps anyway. Fantastic bit of kit. Number 3, the grey water bladder. Now this has changed the grey water game. Our old grey water trolley was bulky, awkward to lift into the ute and hogged half the van's front toolbox. Now the grey water bladder, this grey water bladder rolls up small, fits in a bag and does the same job with less weight and hassle. The bag works well. I just purchased another cam lock for the hose I used to fill the water trolley with and connect it up to the bladder like this. Then it's just a matter of waiting till it's full, then it's easy to handle and load into the ute. Still heavy, but it's well set up for 2 people to lift, and if I don't have 2 people, then I don't fill it as much. In my opinion, it's the space-saving Woolworths gear, seriously. I've gone from all of this to this, and if you include my new 125 litre bladder, I'm still a lot better off. Lighter, cleaner, smarter. It's like Uber Eats, but for water. We call it our hydration station. The bottom line is long, hot, off-grid showers. No more packing up just to get water, less clutter, less weight, more freedom. Whether you're full-timers like us or you're just heading to the bush for a few days, this setup from TowPro and FlexMate is absolutely worth checking out. I did see a van at the Melbourne show that extracted water from the air, which gave you unlimited water, and it recycled your grey water for reuse. Very high tech, but that van was 380,000 Australian dollars. So this, in my opinion, is great bang for buck. So there is a link in the description below, and please mention Kiwi Wanderers if you're making an order. And hey, if you got your own water hacks or must-have water gear, please drop that in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay hydrated out there. Catch you on the road.
Tonight we're running on the right track.